Namaskar students. Today's topic is about research approaches. Research approaches are basically two of type, that is quantitative approach and qualitative approach. This is the pictorial depiction of research approaches. Now, quantitative approach. Quantitative approach involves the generation of data in quantitative forms, which can be subjected to rigorous quantitative analysis in a formal or rigid fashion. This approach can be further classified into inferential approach, experimental approach, and simulation approach. The purpose of infantile approach to research is to form a database from which to enter characteristics or relationship of the people. This is usually means survey research where a sample of population is studied by either questionnaire or by observation to determine its characteristics, and it is then infantile with that the population has the same characteristics. Experimental approach is characterized by much greater control over the research environment, and in this case some variables are manipulated to observe their effects on other variables. Simulation approach involves the construction of an artificial environment with which relevant information and data can be generated. This permits an observation of a dynamic behavior of a system under controlled conditions. Simulation approach useful in building models for understanding future conditions. Qualitative approach to research is concerned with subjective assessment of aptitudes, options, and behavior. Research in such a situation is a function of researchers' insight and impression. Such an approach to research generates results either in non-quantitative form or in the form which are not subjected to rigorous quantitative analysis. Generally, the techniques of focus group interviews, projective techniques, and depth interviews are used. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.